Welcome to Clockwork IT. Today I'm going to be talking you through both our internal and external asset register, which can be found over here on the nav bar. We have this drop down option here where we can see asset register and internal asset register. To begin with, we're going to click asset register. This screen is where we come to see all of our external assets, meaning the assets or equipment that have already gone out to site or have been assigned to a job/location. The items found in this screen could be anything from the equipment the operatives need, such as testing equipment or ladders, but it could also be stock. As you can see, when we come into the screen, we have all of our assets listed down here. At the top, we can search for an asset using either the name, the serial number, or the address. Additionally, we can click Show All Assets, or we can show filters, which gives us additional options to filter, and then we can also click Reset Filters. Here we have Asset Movement, which means we have the option to move assets from internal to external just by clicking this button, and then we can add a new asset here. Our list of asset is listed under the following headers. So we have asset, which would be the asset name, the description, which could be a brief description of the asset. Next we come along to serial number, asset number, the last asset check, the location of the asset. If within the location the asset has been assigned to a building or an area, that information also pulls through here. If the asset has been assigned to a contract, that will also show here. The asset check failure, so if the asset is subject to checks, this will show the pass or fail status. Next we have the client and the status, which you can assign custom statuses to your assets if you wish to. And then we have actions, where we can view or edit more in-depth information about the specific asset, which I will show you on the next screen. So then we go to our internal asset register, which we have here. The assets in this screen are your internal equipment, such as laptops, ladders, anything you need to keep track of, as well as the stock as well. We also have some additional filters here at the top, such as group. So this could be that your assets have been assigned to a group, for example, fire alarm or security alarm. And then we also have the asset check required. So this is if the asset is status to an asset check, that will be listed there. At the top here, we also have the additional option to print our asset list, or we can export them using a CSV file here. When you click on an asset, you can see that it has all of the asset specific information here. So you can see we have the address, the building if one's been assigned, and then the asset name. Here we can select the product. When you select the product, this can also pull through information such as the make and model or any product images that are related to the product. Down here we have the description, so we can just add our description of the product or any additional notes that you may need to add. When we are adding an asset, the address, product name and the status are the only mandatory fields. However, below you can add, if you wish, some additional information such as the make, the model, the part number, serial number, asset number, customer warranty end date, manufacturer warranty end date, and the asset group. Below this we have the option to upload attachments. This could be product images, product information, anything that is relevant. You can add that here and it will show down the bottom here. If you also wish, you can also add the length of time it would take to install this specific asset. Once we've done all of that, we just click save and that's your asset saved. If you would like any more information, please feel free to give us a call on 033 00 577 170.